Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Eureka J15 Ultra. The J15 Ultra is linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Here's a look at our J15 Ultra from our account. We're going to enter into it, and we'll see our main map right here with each room laid out, our flooring. It even added a couch for us automatically. We'll talk about adding furniture if we want to do that later. It's just for your own preference. So where we can see all of our map settings is actually on the right-hand side of the screen, down towards the center and very middle. We have a Map Tools option. This takes us to two tabs, Map Tools and Map Display. Map Display gives us 2D and 3D viewing options. We can rotate the map. We can also choose what we want displayed on or off the map at any given time. And then looking at Map Tools, this is where we can select our map. This does support multiple maps. We can create new ones. You can learn more about that up at the top. Walks you through everything you need to know right there. But we can pick and choose our map. We can back it up, restore, rename, or delete. Then below that, we have our region settings. This is our no-go zones and options, virtual walls, no-go zones. We have our no-mop zones. And we have our thresholds, so we can add thresholds here. And all those are down below here. So everything's just drag and drop, color-coded for you. You can add multiples of each. Simple and straightforward to build out your map. To the right of that, we have room management. This is where we can merge our rooms, divide our rooms, rename our rooms, and we can adjust the cleaning order of the room. So which room do you want to clean first, second, third, fourth, fifth? You get the idea. You can customize all that right there. If the map isn't to your liking, this is where you can adjust the rooms. Then bottom left-hand corner, floor material. We can adjust the floor material, floor tiles, and carpet editing. So you can add carpet spots, or you can adjust the floor type for any room. You have those three options. And to the right of that, you have furniture editing. From here, we can add furniture, drag and drop, reposition it. You can move it around, right? You get the idea. Or you can just delete it altogether. But if you want to add furniture or remove furniture from your map, you can do that right here very easily. And at the very bottom, we have multiple cleaning modes, so we can use our map a couple different ways. First, we can do zone cleaning, so we can add up to 5 areas. If we want, drag and drop, and we can clean those up to 3 times each. We can do a full clean everywhere on the map according to our cleaning sequence. And we can do room by room cleans. Just pick and choose which rooms you want to clean at any given time. And lastly, we already looked at these settings, but I want to show you a different way to get there. Hit the dots in the top right-hand corner. And then we have our third option down is map management. This is where we can create a new map again, or we can edit our current map. Do those settings look familiar? That's where you'll find them right there. So there's a lot of map customization options that you can control and configure within the Eureka app for the Eureka J15 Ultra.